Engine parts and their functions. 1. Cylinder head cover. Also known as the valve cover, this component is mounted on top of the cylinder head and serves as a protective covering for the valve train components, such as camshafts, rocker arms, and valves. It helps keep oil contained within the engine, preventing leaks while also providing access for maintenance. Modern cylinder head covers are often equipped with PCV, positive crankcase ventilation, valves to regulate crankcase pressure. 2. Cylinder head cover gasket. This gasket is a crucial sealing component positioned between the cylinder head cover and the cylinder head. It prevents oil leaks and ensures that contaminants do not enter the engine. Over time, the gasket may degrade due to high temperatures and oil exposure, leading to leaks that can affect engine performance. 3. Cylinder head. The cylinder head is one of the most critical components of an internal combustion engine. It is mounted on top of the engine block and houses essential components such as intake and exhaust valves, spark plugs, and sometimes the camshaft. The cylinder head is responsible for sealing the combustion chamber, directing air and fuel into the cylinders, and allowing exhaust gases to exit efficiently. It also contains coolant passages to help regulate engine temperature. 4. Head gasket. Located between the engine block and the cylinder head, the head gasket serves as a seal that prevents coolant, oil, and combustion gases from mixing. It ensures that each cylinder maintains proper compression for efficient combustion. A blown head gasket can cause severe engine damage, leading to overheating, coolant loss, and reduced performance. 5. Distributor. Found in older internal combustion engines, the distributor plays a critical role in directing high-voltage electricity from the ignition coil to the correct spark plug at the right moment. It consists of a rotor, cap, and ignition points that help control spark timing, ensuring proper engine combustion. Modern vehicles often use distributor-less ignition systems with coil packs. 6. Distributor O-ring. This small but essential rubber component provides a tight seal between the distributor housing and the engine block. It prevents oil from leaking out of the distributor mount area. Over time, the O-ring can become brittle and fail, leading to oil seepage around the distributor. 7. Camshaft pulley. The camshaft pulley is responsible for transmitting rotational motion from the timing belt or timing chain to the camshaft. This synchronized movement ensures that the intake and exhaust valves open and close at the correct time in relation to the engine's pistons. A malfunctioning camshaft pulley can cause timing issues, leading to poor engine performance or even catastrophic failure. 8. Oil filter. This vital component removes dirt, metal particles, and other contaminants from the engine oil before it circulates through the engine. A clean oil filter ensures that the oil remains free of impurities, reducing wear on engine components and prolonging the engine's lifespan. Regular replacement of the oil filter is necessary to maintain engine health. 9. Intake manifold. The intake manifold is responsible for delivering the air-fuel mixture, or air alone in fuel-injected engines, to the engine's cylinders. It is designed to ensure even distribution of air or fuel across all cylinders for optimal combustion. In some modern engines, the intake manifold also houses sensors and actuators that regulate air intake based on engine load and performance needs. 10. Intake manifold gasket. Positioned between the intake manifold and the cylinder head, this gasket creates a tight seal to prevent air, coolant, or fuel leaks. A failing intake manifold gasket can cause a vacuum leak, leading to rough idling, reduced fuel efficiency, and engine misfires. 11. Exhaust manifold. This component collects exhaust gases from the engine's cylinders and directs them toward the exhaust system. The exhaust manifold is usually made of cast iron or stainless steel to withstand extreme temperatures. A cracked or leaking exhaust manifold can lead to performance issues and excessive noise. 12. Exhaust manifold gasket. This gasket sits between the exhaust manifold and the cylinder head, ensuring a proper seal to prevent exhaust gas leaks. If the gasket fails, it can cause a loud ticking noise, increased emissions, and loss of engine power due to improper exhaust flow. 13. Engine block. Often referred to as the heart of the engine block is the main structure that houses cylinders, pistons, crankshaft, and various other components. It is made of cast iron or aluminum alloy for durability. The engine block also has coolant passages to regulate temperature and oil channels to lubricate moving parts. 14. Water pump. The water pump is responsible for circulating coolant through the engine and radiator to prevent overheating. It is typically driven by a belt connected to the crankshaft or a timing belt or chain. If the water pump fails, the engine may overheat, leading to severe damage, such as a warped cylinder head or blown head gasket. 15. Water pump gasket. This gasket creates a watertight seal between the water pump and the engine block, preventing coolant leaks. A worn or damaged water pump gasket can lead to coolant leaks, which may cause overheating and reduce engine efficiency. 16. Timing belt drive pulley. This pulley is an essential part of the timing system, helping synchronize the movement of the crankshaft and camshaft. It ensures precise valve timing, allowing the intake and exhaust valves to open and close at the right intervals. A worn or misaligned pulley can cause serious timing issues, potentially leading to engine failure. 17. Oil pan. The oil pan is a metal reservoir that holds the engine's lubricating oil. It is located at the bottom of the engine block and plays a role in collecting and storing oil before it is recirculated through the engine. The oil pan also helps dissipate heat from the engine oil. 18. Oil pan gasket. This gasket sits between the oil pan and the engine block, creating a seal to prevent oil from leaking. Over time, oil pan gaskets can deteriorate, leading to leaks that may cause low oil levels and potential engine damage. 19. Drain bolt crush washer. This small washer sits between the oil drain bolt and the oil pan. It ensures a secure seal, preventing oil leaks after an oil change. The crush washer should be replaced regularly to maintain a proper seal, as it deforms when tightened and loses effectiveness over time. 19. Oil pan drain bolt. This bolt is used to drain old oil from the engine during an oil change. It must be securely tightened to prevent leaks but not over-torqued, as excessive force can strip the threads or damage the oil pan. Some drain bolts are magnetic to capture metal debris from the engine oil. Each of these engine components plays a vital role in the overall function of an internal combustion engine. Proper maintenance and timely replacement of worn-out parts help ensure the engine operates efficiently, with minimal risk of breakdowns or performance issues.